people, today I'm going to show you how to do this little bubble thing that you guys like. So I'm going to show you my FLIPNOTE so far, and I'm going to show you the bubbles in there. That's what we're going to be learning today. Yeah, so what just happened? Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm self-taught, so I'm a beginner to this because I've just done this, and I think I'm really proud of this, and it's worth doing. So first of all, you have to go onto your thing, and then pick this, and wherever you want to start your little bubble. I'm just gonna go to the end. Yeah. So pick where you want to put it. Make sure it's a small one. And then pick this one. Go to the next frame and make it bigger. Next, pick this and go to the next frame and make it that big. And then you do the same thing over again. So you take this and then you make another small one in the middle, or wherever you want to. And you're gonna make this one bigger, but this time you do it with this part. So I did it like that. I'm gonna show you again. There we go. And did the same thing here. Take this, make it that. This one goes like this, but except that one, you take the smaller one and make it bigger. But this time you can't see it as much. It's really faint because it just went. And you do the same thing with this one. You take that, next frame, let's see how this works. Yeah. Of course, I didn't mean to do all of this. This was just for a tutorial. So I'm just gonna erase it here. And these are animations so far. So let's see again. So yeah, that's how you do those bubbles. Hope you liked this video. Hope you learned something today. So yeah.